guys, it's Ashley here of Stacks and the City, and I want to say hello and welcome. And you all, I know we're in the middle of investment week, but y'all, I promise y'all all that investment talking got me hungry. So I literally just made this salad. Can we see that? That doesn't even, y'all, gotta work on the lighting. It is literally a sweet green-esque salad. Sweet green's like one of my favorite fast casual places to go eat, but I'm not trying to spend $10 for a salad when we can make it at home. You guys can absolutely do the same. You can make your own salads at home, y'all. They're not that expensive. Whatever you want, just throw it in the bag. This salad is about to be bomb. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm about to crush this so heavy. So if you guys wanna know how to make this salad, my take on a sweet green salad, definitely stay tuned. And y'all are fabulous. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, y'all. Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm hungry, so we're gonna make a salad, but not just any salad. We're gonna be making sweet green salad at home. Y'all know the struggle is real. I'm not here trying to spend this money, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so first we're gonna season our chicken. I'm gonna be making blackened chicken, and this recipe came from allrecipes.com. I have garlic pepper, this delicious, amazing cayenne pepper that I absolutely love, thyme, cumin, salt, pepper, little pepper, and then paprika. So we're just gonna put that on the chicken. So I used 2 chicken thighs, and I got these frozen, so I just defrosted them, and I got them from Trader Joe's, and it's like a pack of like 8 to 10 for $7. So we just finished seasoning our chicken. I have almonds, you can do cashews, you can do pine nuts, you can do macadamia nuts. Those are kind of expensive though. But I have these sliced almonds I got from Trader Joe's for like $3. Almonds are kind of expensive, you all, especially these types. But Trader Joe's, I found they have the best deal. So we're gonna toast them. I have this hot pan, this cast iron pan. It's on medium heat. So I'm just gonna take a few almonds. I'm gonna put these in like that. Perfect. So you definitely wanna spread them out evenly. And the idea is that you're gonna see them slightly toast. So when you start seeing them go kind of brown, a little bit brown, then that's how you know that they're ready. Okay, so now we're gonna blacken our chicken thighs. So this pan is hot. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and you know, as Anna Garden would say, good olive oil. So I use this one. I think it's a Greek olive oil, but it's really good. Y'all, honestly, I just looked on the internet to see what was good. So we're just gonna add that in the pot. Put it on the grill like that, and then we're gonna disperse her around. Like that. Also guys, I completely forgot to mention that you want to make sure that there's olive oil on your chicken before you put it in the pan. I don't know if this is right, but I normally just take a little bit of water. And yeah, so she's sizzling, so that means she's ready. So we're gonna place a clean hand and put like that. And it's supposed to sizzle for a minute. Okay, 1 more minute. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And after that it's done on this side, we're gonna just put her in the oven for 5 minutes. Oh, there we go. Nice and blackened. So I'm gonna transfer this to aluminum foil so it can rest, and then we're gonna work on our salad. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna use for my salads. I'm gonna use cucumbers, grapes, Parmesan cheese. This is like actually blocks of Parmesan cheese, dates, and this is my salad base. I have it in a bowl. And it's arugula and that mixed romaine stuff. That's really good. You all, I chose these because I love sweet foods. So I wanted something that wasn't like crazy sweet. I love grapes. Everyone knows I love a good cheese. Dates are sweet. I got that from my Founding Farmer days. And this cucumber. The almonds here. And they're so, y'all hear that crunch? It's the crunch of a lifetime. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this sliced. I just take the grape and I slice it in half, just like that. Parmesan cheese, you will just, you know, slice like that. And I got the block cheese from Trader Joe's. So you have these pretty little blocks. So when I was growing up, you know, you used to have your cucumber sliced like that, right? Y'all, there's a better way to eat it. The thing is, most of your water content is here in the seed. So you don't want all that because it's gonna water your salad down. So literally what I do, cut this end off. I'm gonna cut her in half. So I cut it in half, and then I'll take this face side down, and then I cut it into thirds or another half, so it's in fourths. And then you see these seeds. I'm gonna take that, yeah, just like this. And then from there, just, you know, slice, and we have these really pretty fun cucumbers. I'm gonna chop that. And look, you have really pretty bite-sized cucumbers. Last, I love dates. Dates are really nice. They're sweet. So literally what I do is I just open it like that. So there's a pit here, so you take that pit out. You can't eat that, you discard that. You lay it flat down and you just slice that vertically. All right, and look at that. These beautiful, beautiful dates. All right, so we finished dicing and slicing everything away. This is our salad base, all nice and mixy and pretty. Put this here. And now, yeah, honestly, we're just gonna put everything in there. So literally I'm gonna dump my almonds in there, dump our grapes, the cucumbers, my dates, and then last but not least is my parm. And then we're gonna take it and we're gonna mix. All right, guys, I have this amazing vinaigrette. I made this vinaigrette actually myself. It's super easy. I added red wine vinegar, olive oil, a clove of garlic, and some shallots, and like salt and pepper. That's it. All right, so we shake it up. But we're just gonna pour that in there. Oh. We're gonna mix it just like we're at Sweet Green, y'all. Smells so good. All right. Okay, now guys, time for plating. So I have this white plate. I'm literally just going to take some of my salad. I want to make sure I have all those fun bits in there, you guys. So I'm just gonna place it here. Oh, yeah. And then, so I have this chicken, and I just sliced the chicken off camera. I just sliced it horizontally. We're gonna add the chicken, and voila, we have the perfect sweet green salad made at home. And of course, you guys, make sure you rate and comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions, definitely feel free to let me know, DM me, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, y'all.